Sure. My name is Jason Smith. I'm with the Shaker Group. I'm the Vice President of Operations. So my role is to pretty much make sure the operation runs smoothly. We support our sales team, and we do what we say we're going to do. Our company is kind of unique. We're an asset-based logistics company. So we have a truck division, we have a brokerage division, we have an air freight forwarding division, and an international division. A little bit of everything. We really specialize in truckload and expedited services domestically and also internationally. We service customers from a 4-person office to Fortune 100 and Fortune 500 companies. Well, we've been with Accellos for a long time, Prophecy specifically. And we came from a pen and paper environment, so we were one of those companies that really was coming out of the dark ages into some new technology that was really scary. The first challenge was convincing our owner. At that time, we were a 5-person company doing less than $2 million. I had to convince our owner that we needed to spend money that we didn't have on a software to get business that we didn't have. So that was challenging. What we ended up finding is a lot of the softwares that we looked at were too big, too confusing. The cost was too outrageous, and we didn't have a team to implement it. So we wanted a kind of a canned product that looked good, felt good, it was easy to use, easy to train, and we really needed to automate our services. We were the kind of company that had old pen and paper, and you wrote it down in a spreadsheet and you pinned it on the wall. We had a traditional load board on the wall, and I was scared to death that if a piece of paper fell off in the garbage, the driver never turned his paperwork in, we never billed it. We lost money. So that was our main goal, was really to get it into a system, automate, get visibility to the team, and then go out and get business to try to grow. We really didn't know what we wanted because we didn't know all the features that were out there, but we knew that we had to get a system that was easy to use, that could grow with us, really, and that's why we selected Prophecy. We are using multiple modules. We've grown, we've been on the software for 10 years. So as our company grew, we've added different features that the software provides. We didn't need everything from the beginning. And then we would operate for a few years and realize, wow, that's a bit really nice if we could do EDI transaction with our customer. And that was one of the first real big features I think we got with Prophecy was EDI transaction with one of our biggest customers at the time was Philips Electronics. And you couldn't do business with them unless you had EDI technology. So that brought us up into the large carrier, to be competitive with a large carrier, being a small operation in upstate New York. We use a lot of the features now. We use Safer Watch recently. That was the most recent feature we added, which really helps us to monitor what our brokers are doing, what carriers are using. We're protecting ourselves and our clients. We use it as a marketing tool. Then we automate that right into our software. We are using SkyTrack as well. We've been on a Prophecy mobile platform for many years, recently converted to SkyTrack when the Nextel network went away. We utilize, what else do we have? We do auto load posting. We use that feature, which is really nice. It cuts down time from our brokers. While they're on the phone, they can post a load to multiple load boards at once. And that's why we really chose to go with Prophecy, I think, because we didn't have to buy the whole big package at once. You could start small, really get a feel for the system, then see what else was out there that they offer for features and see if you were ready to add that feature or not. Even to this day, we still are talking about adding new features all the time. Are we ready for this? We're looking for this. Are we really going to use it? Are we prepared to implement it? And Prophecy's really walked us through it and gives us the support we need to move forward. There's been a lot of benefits. One is the automation avoids errors, mistakes. And we measure our performance with our customers, not only our on time, but we measure our accuracy in invoicing. And we've really noticed from our customers that they appreciate the accuracy that we can give them on the invoicing. And we rarely have to go back and fix any issues. As far as some intangible benefits that we may have received from the product that we weren't aware of, once we went to document imaging, we were just trying to streamline our process, get it in the system faster so we could have visibility to things when a customer calls in. We could get a POD quickly. We could look up a document and a lumper receipt if we wanted to, really rather quickly while the customer's on the phone. We never really thought about improving our days to cash. And that really took a big jump in our days to cash. We went from over 65, 68 days down to the 50-day mark, our days of cash on our brokerage side from automation and getting that paperwork into the system faster. Really, we have some other divisions that run other software products. I'm pretty proud to say that the divisions that operate on Prophecy are the fastest day to cash division in the company. Sure. I mean, I guess it's a lesson learned, but we had bought Prophecy, and for 2 years we really weren't using it efficiently. We didn't really make the jump to get into the software and use it. And it was more of a lack of commitment, I think, from the top down. You know, once you purchase a product, you really got to start using it. You know, the faster you start using it, the better. I had a little resistance in our employees initially. You know, they liked the pen and paper. They liked to hang things on the board. When we switched, I finally picked a date and just said, you know, we're going live this date. You don't go home until you get this done today. Entering databases, and once we've committed to it and got it in the system, everybody loved it. So you really have to commit and jump in with both feet. Don't put it off. Integration is difficult, but you got to make the leap. I think one of the challenges for any trucking company is to recruit and maintain drivers. Driver retention is going to be very important, and I think technology plays a role in that by making the job easier for a driver. Anytime we can automate a process, get him more accurate information, get him information quickly, is going to help to make that driver happy and stay in the seat and be productive. From a customer standpoint, all customers want to see new technology, not just fluffy technology, but they want to see useful technology that's going to help to drive their business and improve their visibility to the freight, improve their economics, improve their overall experience with a carrier. And that's where we will continue to invest in technology and choose new things that come up from Prophecy that really offer a nice benefit to us.